Hey swing trading family, this is Super Swing Trader. I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand zones and trade it for income. Before I do, if you're new to this channel, here I talk about swing trading using the rules of supply and demand and technical analysis to trade with the big banks, hedge fund managers, and professional traders, and not against them. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know, have you guys placed any trades and have you made any money with swing trading using supply and demand yet? Comment below yes if you have and no if you haven't. I really appreciate your comments because it helps me tailor my content to best serve you. Apart from that, let's get right to evaluating the charts. Okay, let's take a look at the US dollar versus Singapore dollar. Let's do a top-down analysis looking at the monthly first. We see that there's a strong demand zone here. So let's draw this. Okay. Then it looks like it hit supply right here. Because as you can see, well, this is supply and supply up here. So since this supply zone is broken, I'm going to draw like this, and then this supply up here is still fresh. So that's what we have on the monthly chart. So it's ranging in between. You can't decide if it wants to go up higher or coming down, but so it's been ranging in between the supply zone and this demand zone. But it looks like it's forming a bearish engulfing candle here. So we do not want to go long right now at any of these basing candles. We would want to wait until price retrace down here. And on the weekly, same thing. Let's make it bigger. So all this price action is really bad, but we see that there is a supply zone formed here. It's really weak, but it's able to keep price lower. When price went up here, it dropped. And let's take a look to see where the next level of demand zone is. So yeah, this is just staircasing action all the way down here. So this is supply here, and then this is demand down here. This is the next level of demand that we want to take a look at if price goes down here. So on the weekly, price is ranging in between this supply zone and this demand zone, and then there's also demand zone down here, which is the origin of the move of this move, with this huge move, this down here. And let's take a look at the daily now. The daily chart, we see that there's supply zone up here, and it's an obvious downtrend. And there's a supply zone created right here. So price is going to keep on dropping until it hits the next level of demand zone, which let's take a look at the daily chart. See where the next demand zone is. So it dropped, rally drop, and this looks like this is the demand zone that's holding price. Price retraced to it a couple times and it's still holding. Okay. So we see that there's quite a bit of room to go to the downside right here. And if price retraces up here, we want to look at selling shorting it. So price to there. Yeah. So if price continues to drop, it can go all the way down here, where we could look to go long. But short term and long term, we want to sell because of this bearish engulfing candle on the monthly, this bearish engulfing candle on the weekly, and this strong demand zone. So if price retraces up here, we want to sell. And if price gets down to this first level, well, to here, we don't want to, because this zone is tested, but it doesn't mean that it cannot rally. So if it rallies, then we want to sell. If it keeps on selling, then we want to stop and just wait to see if this zone can be broken. And if this zone is broken, then we can look to go long all the way down here where the weekly zone is fresh and has not been tested. So I would say short bias on this until it reaches the first daily demand zone and then the second weekly demand zone, which is way further down. And if it could break this too, then we want to go long on the monthly demand zone. Okay, that is the analysis on US dollar versus Singapore dollar. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click that little bell icon. Then that way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.